Sketch the graph of the function y equals -2 mod x minus 3 plus 4. Identifying coordinates of vertex and intercepts. So, how do I work out what the shape of this graph is? Well, it's an absolute value graph, so it's going to have a vertex in the middle. Where is that vertex? Well, I hope you did go and have a play on Desmos with a mod x minus h plus k. If you did, you will have learnt that h and k tell you the coordinates of the vertex. The vertex of this function is 3, 4. Subtracting a number here from x moves the graph to the right. Adding a number on the end moves the graph up. Okay, I've got the vertex. What about the shape of the graph? Well, it's negative, so it's going to be inverted this way instead of the usual that way. And it's going to be steeper than usual by a factor of 2. The gradient of those lines is going to be 2 and -2 instead of 1 and -1. So vertical dilation of 2 and inverted because that number is negative. That is actually enough. Knowing the gradient is 2 and the vertex, you can actually draw the graph. But it is better, it may be easier in fact, to work out the intercepts first. So, for the y-intercept, oops, I'm getting messy, set x equal to 0. Y equals -2 mod 0 minus 3 plus 4. -2 mod -3 plus 4. Well, the absolute value of -3 is +3. That's -6 plus 4, which is -2. That's the y-intercept. What about the x? For the x-intercept, set y equal to 0. Well, that's my function. 0 must equal -2 mod x minus 3 plus 4. Take away 4. -4 is -2 mod x minus 3. Divide by -2. 2 equals mod x minus 3. Now, that means x minus 3 is 2 or x minus 3 is -2. So, x minus 3 is 2 or x minus 3 is -2. Well, if x minus 3 is 2, then x must be 5. And if x minus 3 is -2, then x must be -2 plus 3, which is 1. So I have my x-intercepts, my y-intercept, and my vertex. Let me draw the graph. Now this one won't be perfectly accurate, but let's have a go. 3, 4 is my vertex. And the graph's going down because it's inverted. X-intercepts are 1 and 5, where the vertex should be in the centre of that. If I draw that in, I should then be able to also mark the y-intercept as -2.